Good morning, good day. I hope you are doing fine. I hope your day started out as beautiful as the sunrise. If not, I want to say stay positive and think on possibilities and think on the good things, they will come. So basically, I'm having a meeting today. I have two meetings. This first one will be on Zoom and it's to discuss potential collaboration. Nothing is set in stone, but I'm recording this, to document my journey and just, the achievements, whether positive or negative, at least we started the process. So I will share a bit of it with you and we go from there. And I'll take you along through the rest of the day. See you. So that was a good meeting, and the outcome is not positive, but it was a good meeting regardless. So I will continue taking you along my day. Just gonna make the drink this morning. What are you making?
Banana milkshake.
Milkshake. And what are you adding to this?
Banana and the oats milk we prepared yesterday.
Yesterday or 2 days ago?
2 days ago. And we have a mix of pecan nuts, amaranto, that is ground amaranto, and amaranto, normal amaranto, and coconut shreds. The ground amaranto makes it thick, and the normal amaranto just gives it something to chew. And well, you're gonna first this is oats milk. Here comes the oats milk. And a little bit of a dash of
Dash? That you call a dash? Ooh.
of vanilla extract, natural vanilla extract.
I know. I have my own vanilla extract as well. And you're gonna blend it up, eh? Yum, 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 yum. Cheers.
Hey.
Provecho. going to wind the night down with yoga. Today was a good day, but at some point I felt a bit anxious, even though the day ended with good news. And with that, I'm gonna close off with yoga. As you can see that I was joined by my lovely dogs in my session this evening. But I will close out by saying that whatever seed you plant, it might take a while to grow. Don't give up, just change the environment. That will nurture the seed and you'll be surprised by the fruit it brings. I will also say, stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video. Have a great evening, have a great night wherever you are in the world.